Affiliate marketing in India is booming, and it's an exciting time to dive in. First up, we have Amazon Associates India. With its vast product range, it's perfect for beginners looking to earn commissions effortlessly. Then there's Flipkart Affiliate, another giant in the e-commerce space, offering a plethora of products and reliable support to help you succeed. Qlinks stands out by aggregating multiple affiliate programs, making it easy to manage everything from one platform. If you're into performance-based marketing, vCommission is your go-to, with diverse offers across e-commerce, finance, and gaming. Finally, ShareASale connects you with global merchants, providing access to high-converting products. These platforms not only offer great earning potential, but also the tools and support needed to thrive in the affiliate marketing landscape. Dive in and start your journey towards financial independence today.